Hi, my name is JP Samuel. I'm the lead pastor of the Spectrum Church. We are just incredibly delighted to hear this great news of the recent Supreme Court ruling granting injunction so that we could regather and safely meet indoors. This is just a tremendous news for us. And as a church, we are excited. This Sunday, we are about to bring our kids to meet together and have their kids sessions indoors where they could see their friends face to face, as well as moving our entire church service within a week or so. And we are just so blessed and thankful to God and for PJI, who have been tirelessly working towards helping us to receive this. And I'm also part of a network of pastors who represent immigrant and ethnic churches. And for them, this is a humongous blessing because for most of these churches, especially those who have immigrant churches, the church is all the family that they have. And especially in this past year, when they have lost some loved ones to COVID in their home countries and they've not been able to travel because of travel restrictions, not being able to gather together and be encouraged has been a humongous loss. And also some of our friends, they come from countries like Vietnam and Eritrea in Africa who have very oppressive regimes. And so when they heard that the government is shutting down the church, they experienced PTSD. And some of them have not been able to grapple that because they came here thinking this is the land of the free and home of the brave. And when they heard the same thing, it has been very difficult. And they are joyful right now that they can freely gather, regather, meet, and worship, and also meet the needs, not just of their own members, especially the kids and young adults, and also the neighborhood, where a lot of other needs have not been able to be addressed because we couldn't gather. And I'm so thankful, especially to the wonderful team of attorneys we've had. We are just so impressed as to how fast they were moving with things happening so quickly. They were on top of stuff and they were spot on, and all their responses were very well researched and extremely well articulated and just brilliant. And I think we are so thankful that God has blessed us with this wonderful team of brilliant attorneys who have used their gifts to bless the church for times such as this. It's a historic moment, and we are grateful that you guys were able to come and bless all our churches. And this just didn't affect our church, it's opened it up for everybody else. And I'm also thankful to my other colleagues, pastors, and churches who were part of this lawsuit. Couldn't have done this without them. Sometimes it does feel lonely, and you're fighting this big system. And they were very helpful and encouraging to remind us that we have a God who is bigger than the biggest powers and principalities of this world. And so we are so thankful to them. Several other churches financially partnered, and we are thankful to them as well. And once again, our hearts go out in gratitude to Pacific Justice Institute and the work you guys do. May God bless you and use you to be these empowerers of churches in situations and times like this. God bless you. Thank you.